March 1st is going to be a major day for Bitcoin and all of crypto. If you have a favorite altcoin, March 1st will dictate so much for your favorite altcoin and Bitcoin. In today's video, I'm going to tell you why and what to watch for and what to be ready for on March 1st. If you're new, welcome in. My name is Steve, and this is where you're going to come to have more success in crypto. If you want more success in crypto, hit that subscribe button right now. Did you hit it? Hit that button right now. Throw a thumbs up on it. Second video today. Major stuff coming. I'm trying to get a third video out. We'll see if I can make it happen. But first and foremost, I want to get to the biggest announcement. And we announced this on our previous video. It might already be sold out. I'm not sure because I'm filming this right after the previous one. But this is your last chance to sign up. Plain and simple. We're about to pull the plug. Prices are about to increase. This 61.8% off sale that we had to celebrate our company birthday. This is our third company birthday. We launched our courses 3 years ago. We just redesigned them, re-edited them. We added a lot of bells and whistles. They're on another level. And we did the 61.8% off for a limited seats because the 61.8% off is so huge. But this is literally your last chance. They might be sold out already. You got to jump over to the website right now. Go right now and see if there's still one seat available. If you are an old student, write me right now. And again, it might be too late. You better write as fast as you can. If you didn't sign up to the customer hybrid indicator yet and you're an old student, there's a special way for you to sign up. Email me right now, info@cryptocareeruniversity.com. Put the subject line indicator, and then you better keep your fingers crossed because there's not much time left. They might be sold out already. Jump over to the website right now to see if they're still available and lock it in if they are. The website, cryptocareeruniversity.com. Link is down below. I'll link it up here. Go. Cryptocareeruniversity.com. And again, do you have 1 to 5 years experience in crypto? If you're shaking your head yes, you get the gold. Top seller, most popular by far. If you're really new to crypto, maybe you are really new to crypto. You want to start right at step 1. You don't want to miss anything. Get the diamond. And once you click on these buttons right here, whatever one you decide to choose, you're going to be brought to this page. And if there are seats left, you're going to see this page. If you see this page, go fast. This is where you get instant trade alerts. Click add this to your cart right now. Sign up before it's too late. Last chance. Again, I don't know right now. They could already be sold out by the time you see this video. It should be 11 a.m. in New York City. They might be sold out already. I look forward to seeing you on the inside. Now, March 1st. March 1st is going to be major. March 1st is going to tell us so much information about what's going on with Bitcoin. Let's break it down in a simple manner. This is the log growth curves. You can get this on your TradingView account, okay? You can pull this up, and we just played with the colors a little bit, and we played with the textures a little bit just to make it clean, simple, and clear. But make no mistake, this green line in the center tells an incredible story. Let's go back in history to understand the story so that way you can understand what to expect this time around. You can see all the candles below acting as resistance month after month after month. These are all monthly candles, right? Month after month after month. This candle right here, April 2011, was the first candle in this entire sequence here that closed its head above this median line. This median line is the 50% fib level. Again, these are all fib levels. This is the 50% fib level. And this is our median line throughout this sequence with the log growth curves. Once we close above that, that was a major signal to the market. That major signal was, hey, we are entering our parabolic top and we do not have much time until we reach our pinnacle top. And again, that's our market cycle top. So for years, we trend upwards. And as soon as we get over this median line, the market moves significantly faster and we reach our blow-off top. It's called a blow-off top because it just moves so fast and then just kind of blows up, right? It's a blow-off top, right? So this only, once we closed above here, it just took 2 months. 1 month, 2 months. Once we had that second month, that was our pinnacle top. And then we had a 77% correction back down to our bottom line here in yellow. right? And then again, we entered a new market cycle. We battled month after month after month after month, holding this bottom line. Then we moved up to the median line and we finally passed it here. This cycle 2, right? If you zoom out, we'll call this cycle 2, right? You can see cycle 1 was here, cycle 2 is here, and cycle 3 is here. We're currently in cycle 4. So cycle 2 acted quite differently than cycle 1. However, once it did close a body above, it was only 7 months until we reached our top. And this was when we had a massive, massive correction here. I'm sorry, this was the 77% correction. This was like 93% correction. My apologies. This was the 77% correction. This was the blip in the radar, which it was technically a bear market, although it was very short-lived, and it was kind of like a second hypercycle, right? So this scenario too, even though it was very different, still was only a handful of months until we reached our market cycle top and corrected into a bear market for the next couple years. It wasn't the next couple months. It wasn't the next couple weeks. It was the next couple years, right? And then you fast forward and we hugged this bottom line just like we did in market cycles past. You can see we hugged it for all these months here and we hugged it for all these months here. Again, the market moves pretty slow out of a bear market. It has to. It has to build market structure. It's very healthy to do that. And then we battled all the way up to the median line. And again, once we get above the median line, it's really quick before we see the pinnacle market top and then enter a couple year bear market. Again, we closed a body above in August 2017. And then 1, 2, 3, 4 months later, we reached our pinnacle top. So we have data points, 3 data points that suggest 2 months until our market top, 7 months until our market top, 4 months until our market top. Those are our 3 data points. In all of Bitcoin, we know that as soon as we close a body above this green line, it's really fast until we reach our top. Usually, it's faster than everyone thinks. Usually when we're in this period, it's that euphoria period where everybody is calling for, a very long and extended bull run that's going to last for an eternity, and we're going to go to the moon and we're going to land on Mars and all this stuff, which is great. But the data says as soon as we move above this green line, it's between 2 and 7 months that we reach our top. Why is that important? Why is March 1st important? Right now, we have our body above here. No doubt about it. But we haven't closed this candle yet. We still have 9 days and 13 hours, right? 9 days and 13 hours. On March 1st, we're going to know what this candle printed. If we printed above here, we know that it's not much time between 2 and 7 months based on the historical data in front of us before we reach this top here. And we'll go ahead and pan out and hypothetically say, what if it was this month and this month, what price would we reach? Because they're all going to be different. Because keep in mind, this yellow line is rising. But March 1st will be incredibly important because we could very well be entering our parabolic cycle where the market starts to move very quickly, or we could even repeat what happened in this cycle too. But even still, it wasn't long until we reached our market cycle top. Even with this extended correction that lasted a few months, it was only 7 months from the time of this candle until this candle. So even if we repeat this and we do have a massive correction after this, say down into this area here, it was still only 7 months until we reached our pinnacle top. So let's take a look at what could be realistic. We said between 2 and 7 months, and let's hypothetically say this does close, right? This on March 1st, you wake up and we are above, let's just zoom in here to get the exact numbers. It's 37. On March 1st, if we close above $37,000, we will enter that parabolic cycle officially. And again, that parabolic cycle doesn't mean we go straight up. There is cycle 2 that says we go straight down and then have a massive rally up within 7 months. Let's say it's 2 months. 1, 2. 2 months from now, we could reach a potential $107,000 market top. right? Let's say it lasts for 7 months. And I just want to make sure that everyone's clear. March 1st, it's going to be major. We haven't closed above this line since 2017, since August 2017. And if you remember August 2017, that's when the market was moving at ridiculous speeds. It was almost unreal. It was almost like a movie. It was really like a movie. Things were moving so quickly. We finally closed above here, and then in a blink of an eye, it was over, right? That's how fast it could be. So in 2 months from now, potential 107K, right? We're on record saying, I don't know if 100K is possible. I hope it is. But it just, everybody was calling for at least 100K and made us pretty nervous. Again, the charts are saying we could very well reach 100K. My emotional pulse on the community is nervous in the fact that everyone's screaming one thing and we have to at least question what if it doesn't, right? I like to go based on the facts of the charts. The charts are saying it's quite realistic to reach 100K, but again, we have to at least ask, what if it doesn't reach 100K? So I hope that point is also clear, and I encourage you to do the same in the charts. And always look at the other side, at least so you have a balanced take on the market and you're not emotionally attached to one side or the other, right? We're never closed-minded. We never say, oh, it definitely won't do this. It definitely will do this. We're open to the facts on the charts. Let's say hypothetically 7 months from now, what are we looking at? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, probably around that November, December area, right? Where a lot of people think that that's when we're going to top. November, December, we could reach $138,000 Bitcoin before we reach our pinnacle top. And keep in mind, we will keep you updated on how this is progressing. But this is major. March 1st is going to be major, but 7 months from now, and this is kind of like, based on our data points, this could be the longest period, right? November, December of this year. So for this to go into 2022, Bitcoin will have to do something it's never done before. And in its 10-year history, it will have to do something unprecedented. It will have to do something that none of these cycle 1, cycle 2, cycle 3 have done. And these are all relatively similar. The outlier is cycle 2, but even fundamentally, it's the same. So this would have to do something very, very extreme to enter into 2022 as it stands now. And again, we'll have to really address the facts in the charts when the time is correct. But this is what I wanted to point out so that you have this in your Rolodex. You know what to watch for on March 1st. We will keep you updated. 37K or above. It potentially will be relatively quick until our market cycle top. Let me know in the comments down below what you thought. You hit that subscribe button. This is where TA finally makes sense. Hit that button, join the movement, don't be left behind, and go show some love on the Twitters. The Twitters is on fire. You know it's on fire. I know it's on fire. The Twitters is on fire. Crypto Crew U on the Twitters. You see it right here? Crypto Crew U on the Twitters. Go follow over on the Twitters. That's where we post stuff that we don't post here. Even if you have never signed up to the Twitters before, today's your day. Sign up to the Twitters and show some love. And again, I just want to illustrate one more time how important this is, that this is your last chance. It's literally your last chance. And again, I apologize if you go to the website and it's already sold out. It could very well happen. So you better jump over there right now. I'm posting this video in a handful of hours from now. So a lot of things could change. It could be already sold out. Run over there right now. And if there's a seat, you better lock it in right now. Do not wait another moment. You've already waited too long and it's going to be gone forever. The prices are going to increase and this will be your biggest regret. You do not want to have any regrets. I want to help you get on the right track. I want to help you recover your losses, start dominating your trades. How would that feel to start dominating your trades? How would that feel? How would it feel to tell your friends and family you're dominating your trades? That's what I want to give you. That's what I want to give you. And again, if you're an old student, write in as quickly as you can. If you want to sign up to this indicator, put in the subject line indicator and email info@cryptocrewuniversity.com. And again, jump over to the website. You already know the drill, cryptocrewuniversity.com. The link is down below. I'll link it right up here. You can look at the link here. Sign up to the gold, 1 to 5 years. Diamond if you're super new. Come over to this page, scoop up the hybrid indicator, click this link as fast as you can. If you see this, you better move fast. If you see this, that means there's 1 seat left. You better act fast. This is where you get instant trade alerts. Sign up right now before it's too late. And I'm going to try to do one more video today. One more video. If I do it, it'll be posted at 3 p.m. New York City time. Oh, I just want to mention, for our students, we had completely new redesigned courses. Redesigned. We launched our courses 3 years ago. Now they're redesigned with a ton of bells and whistles and a ton of increased learning material, right? Brand new content, and we did a poll. We had a little bit of background music in some of the new versions of the courses, and we had a ton of learning material that just enhanced learning, simple, clean, and clear. And some folks didn't like the background music, so we went back in, we re-edited. We're doing it right now. It's going to be launched absolutely free to anybody that signed up to the new redesigned courses. A brand new version, an updated version, the newest, hot off the press. If you sign up today, you will get that version. So every student that signed up to the new courses will get that version completely free. No worries about that. I look forward to seeing you on the inside. Peace and love. Hopefully I see you at 3 p.m. New York City time.